Sixth standard. Today we start the next chapter number 3rd, more on PowerPoint. Beta, what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a software which help us to display our ideas to other one in a very attractive way. PowerPoint help us to create slides on in which we can create our presentation seminar very easily in a graphical way, or totally based on computer, in which you can add video, sound, narrations, etc. to make it more attractive, and other one can understand it very easily because it display all the facts of your presentation or your seminar. Now our next topic is first topic of your chapter is creating a design template. But a templates means predefined designs. It is a by default in PowerPoint. There are by defaults many themes in which you can choose any one and create your PowerPoint, create your slides. Templates are the default themes and text arrangement that are already designed in PowerPoint. You can simply select a template, add text, video or audio to it, and your presentation is ready. Templates पहले से बने बनाए themes होते हैं, जिनमें से आप अपनी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग कोई भी एक थीम सेलेक्ट करके सिर्फ आपने क्या करना है, टेक्स्ट ऐड करना है, कोई ऑडियो वीडियो अगर आप अटैच करना चाहती हो उसको ऐड करोगे और आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन क्या हो जाती है, रेडी हो जाती है. However, you can create your own template. PowerPoint give us a facility to create our own template. You can also share it with your friends and reuse it more than one time. PowerPoint templates are saved with the extension .potx. You know how to work with the slide master. So create a design using slide master and apply a theme of your choice. Beta, you all are familiar with the concepts of slide master. That's why you can also create a slide design using slide master. You can apply a theme of your choice in your template. What are the steps to create your own template? These are the steps. First of all, click on the file tab. After clicking on the file tab, you click on the save as option to save. When you click on the save as option, a save as dialog box will be displayed on your screen in this way. Now you enter the name of your presentation. The name of the presentation here is presentation 1. Now click on the save as type. You select the save as type PowerPoint presentation because you want to create a template on the basis of PowerPoint presentation. That's why you click on the PowerPoint presentation. After clicking on it, a drop down menu will be displayed and you can select PowerPoint templates. After clicking on the PowerPoint template, you click on the save button. Your design will be ready for work. Next topic is applying slide transitions. Last year in your previous class, we also discussed the concept slide transition. Transition in between slides describe the movement from one slide to another slide. It defines the effects that occur on the transition time of one slide to another. These are the slide transition, in which slide transition is the way each slide will arrive on the screen. हर एक slide आपकी screen के ऊपर one by one करके आती है. It adds movement to your slide as you move from one slide to another. जैसे ही आप एक slide से दूसरी slide के ऊपर जाते हो तो different types के effect क्या होते हैं, display होते हैं. You can apply only one transition पर स्लाइड. आप एक ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट भी सभी स्लाइड्स के ऊपर क्या कर सकते हो, अप्लाई कर सकते हो. द स्टेप टू एड ट्रांजिशन, यू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स आर familiar with these steps. First step is to select the slide on which you transition is to be applied. Next, click on the transition tab. Then click on the select a transition from the click on the selected transition effect of this group. Now click on the effect option to add effect to selected transition. Here is the effect options in which you can choose your choose another effect which are not shown in this group. After adds, you can also add sound to the transition by clicking on the sound drop down menu. You can also change the duration of the transition. These are the steps to create when you want to create a slides. These are the steps to occur the movement or effects that at the time of transition of slides. Click on preview. You can also take preview of these slides transitions. The following are the various features that you can use for adding transition to slides. Number one, transition to the slide group. There are multiple options when you click on these drop down arrow. This is the transition to this group. Transition to this group, there is a multiple option which are used to apply on our slides. And these are options are fade, push, wipe, blinds, and clock. So these are the different effects which you can apply on your slides transition. Now, effect options. When you, for each transition option, various effects are available. These effects options वेरी डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ट्रांजिशन सिलेक्टेड. जब भी आप किसी इफ़ेक्ट्स को सिलेक्ट करते हो तो उनके भी अंदर और भी इफ़ेक्ट्स होते हैं जिनको आप क्या कर सकते हो, सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. जैसे इफ़ेक्ट ऑप्शन है स्मूथली, थ्रू ब्लैक, या फ्रॉम बॉटम, फ्रॉम लेफ्ट, फ्रॉम राइट, फ्रॉम टॉप. दीज आर द वे कि आपने अपने ट्रांजिशन को जो इफ़ेक्ट देना है वो कहाँ से देना है. Sound, you can also add sound to your slide transition. These sounds may be applause, bomb, coin, drum roll and so on too. आप अपनी transition अपनी slide के transition को sound भी दे सकते हो. Next is duration. आप अपनी you can increase or decrease the duration time of your slide by entering time in seconds in the duration field or clicking on the up arrow to increase or down arrow to decrease the duration of this transition. In this way you can increase or decrease the duration of your slides. More the duration, slower is the transition. जितना ज़्यादा आप slow कर दोगे उतना ही ज़्यादा वो time लेगा. The default duration of each transition is 1 second. Okay student, this